The construction of watertight bulkheads is the ship is strictly regulated by the International Convention for the Safety of Life of the Sea. SOLAS ensure the vessel a safety in the case of hull damage. These bulkheads are crucial for controlling loading and maintaining stability. And materials of construction. SOLAS regulation dictate and use of strong, durable materials like high-stretch steel or aluminum of bulkhead. Construction. The thickness of the plating must be sufficient to withstand water pressure increased toward the bottom in the hull. Vertical stiffeners often angel bars, channels, and blood planet are added for reinforcement and to prevent breaking. Welding in commonly use the credit water joint modern shipbuilding anthracite correct bulkheads eliminated a need for someone surface.
Bulkhead types and placement. The collision bulkhead located at the ship's bow is heavily reinforced to limit damage from head-on collisions. SOLAS specifics. Its minimum distance from the forward perpendicular. Other bulkheads divide the ship into compartments on factors like floodable length calculations and the location of machinery spaces. Opening and doors. SOLAS regulates openings in bulkheads requiring reinforcement and watertight closure like doors. The number of openings should be minimized. Watertight doors are categorized by their operational requirements. Regular testing and the maintenance are mandatory to ensure continued watertight integrity. Fire resistance. While not explicitly part of water tightness, SOLAS also address fire resistance, classifying bulkheads into classes A, B, and C based on their ability to contain fire and smoke. This is an additional safety measure integrated into bulkhead. Thank you, sir.